Okay, the deals are just so good. I mean, the prices, Ann Taylor, and this bag at TJ Maxx. I went to TJ Maxx yesterday and stumbled on this, and I'm excited to share it with you. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to a quick little haul. I wasn't planning on filming this today, but my last two items came from Ann Taylor. This time they shipped very quick. And I actually went into TJ Maxx yesterday. I was kind of, where was I? Oh, where did I have to go? I needed to go to Michael's for something. And right next door to Michael's is Home Goods. And I'm like, oh, well, I'm out, there's no line. Might as well go in and check it out. Left Home Goods, didn't buy anything. I'm like, well, while I'm here, let's just go right down the row and see what else we can find. So I went in TJ Maxx, and I just kind of looked around. The purses are right at the front door. I'm like, I'm just gonna do a quick search because a lot of you guys know that I wanted a Tory Burch tote bag for my trunk club. And I ended up with a small Tory Burch bag, which I returned. So I'm kind of looking around and not really expecting to buy anything because the shelves are really empty. They're really, really empty. I was surprised. So I'm just kind of looking around, and then I saw this bag. I'm looking for a travel bag. And this is not the shape that I had in mind, but I think I'm going to love this. It is vegan leather. It is very soft. It has the feet on the bottom. It has the zipper here, so I can put like my phone in here. But in the back, it has another zipper, so I could put like, well, if I ever get to fly again, like my passport or my license, because I like to be able to get them out quick for my ID, or if I want to put some change, dollar bills or something in there. It's also big enough so my crossbody wallet that I have that I could just stick in here. Okay, let me show you. It's really a pretty color. It's soft. I had to look at the tag to see if it was real leather or not. $24.99. I know, right? This is the only one I saw there. I thought about buying another one to give to someone for a gift because that's how much I like it. Okay, it also, I'll show you the inside in a minute, hold on. And this does not interest me, but the straps will turn into a backpack. I'm not a backpack girl, so, I mean, I like how they go on the side. It unclips here, one on each side. I'm guessing I could probably make the strap longer so that I could, I don't know. I don't know, I'm really liking this. Okay, let me show you the inside. I'm getting ahead of myself. The inside is deep. And it's lined. When I was at the checkout, the lady said, is that leather? And she looked at the tag. She goes, I thought that was real leather. She said, I don't remember seeing that bag. Where'd you get that? And I told her, I said, it's the only one I saw. I didn't see another one. Okay, let's see. Who is the maker of this? Isabelle is the maker. It says approved vegan leather. Look at the inside. Look at how wide this opens up. Very wide. Zippered, which I love. So it has a zipper pocket here. That's the zipper pocket. It's pretty deep. The inside's nice. It's nice and light. And then it has a slot pocket, and it has like the vegan leather trim piece on it. There. It is so deep. When I travel with my iPad. Look at this. Look at that. It's down there. And I always, when I fly, I travel with a blanket, and actually the blanket will fit in here, even if I can't zip it, which I'm not gonna probably be able to, which would be fine because as soon as I sit down, the first thing I do is take the blanket out and set it on my seat because I like to have my own blanket. The only other things that I really travel with, of course, my phone, and there's a pocket for that. Headset, which are really small that will fit in here. What else? I might put a snack in here. Well, now you have mask, and I usually try to bring some sanitary wipes. Those are flat, those are in here. Lipstick or a lip gloss is usually in here. Hand lotion, small little bottle. And sometimes I'll put a comb in here if I'm traveling for a long distance. And really, I don't travel with a lot, like a carry-on. So this bag is I'm really happy with this. Well, I'll let you know after I travel with it. Mike and I are trying to get some long weekends, some trips planned just to go, even if we just hang out at the hotel, on a balcony, overlooking some water or a golf course, something, and just hang out and do what we normally, like read. We always play cribbage at night, or when we travel, we like to play backgammon or not backgammon, dominoes, cards. So this is much better than the Tory Burch bag that I was looking for. I would rather have this. Seriously, I love this and love the size of it. Okay, so I think I'm more excited about the bag than I am about these clothes. Okay, I don't need a Tory Burch tote bag anymore. So, all right, now I'm gonna show you the deals that I got. anntaylor is killing it with deals. And it's kind of hit or miss. I missed a couple of them, and then I went back online and I was gonna buy some things, and then I was just kind of like, prices were good, but they weren't great. Well, prices are pretty great on these. This first top that I got, okay, it's 3/4 length sleeve. It was $11.14. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna have to look up the full price because wasn't on the paperwork. And I have what do I have? I think, I have a shirt similar to this that is short sleeves, but it's 3/4, and I'll try these on. Nice length. I bought a small. I kind of wish I would have gotten a medium because it's going to show the rolls, but for $11, and you know what? I don't even think there's any tags. Yeah, there's a tag on it. Oh, regular price. Let's see. $34.99. I think it had been marked down. I think that was the markdown, and then it was on sale from that. I think. I don't know. $34.99. I'll have to look at my original receipt. So I'm excited for that. This piece, this is, I think, a popular item. It said, oh, this is final. You know what? If it doesn't fit, I'll sell on Poshmark. You know. Okay, so this next item is circle lace trim mock neck. I guess that's what they call this. This is a beautiful color. This is a popular item. This is not a final sale, so it's not the down and dirty, you know, price, but it's $25.51 was my final sale. Look how pretty that is. I like the sleeves. Like it a lot. Okay, 25, let me see if it says the price on here. $64.50, size small. So I like that a lot, I hope. If not, I can return that. All right, this one is final sale. It's long sleeves. There's just something, I've been watching this one. $11.14 for this. The fabric is so soft. It's got the big sleeves. So, of course, it's for fall and winter, but I mean, $11. Okay, the sweater is not final sale. It's $16.70. Again, not the best of sales. Oh, there's no regular price on here. But I kept staring, I kept going back to this, and it looks really nice. It looks like maybe with some white jeans, white skirt or something. So that I decided to go ahead and get it and try it on, and it's not, they call this a shrimp color, shrimp. It's, it feels like a heavier, like, sweater. So I'll try this on too. Okay, hope they all fit. Hang on. This is a nice top, it really is. Except, it is like gonna show every roll in my belly. Okay, so I'm sucking it in. All right, now I'm letting it out. Yeah, I know it's not a good look, but I brought my black and white house jacket. Look at this look. I mean, I would wear this and wear a jacket. Just that when I would sit down, I'd have to make sure this is hidden under a table. So, I don't know. This is final sale. Honestly, I'm not comfortable because of this belly. And when you sit down, you know, when you sit down, all of a sudden see, that's falling out. Okay, but I don't, we'll see. For $11, it's not bad. I could wear it around the house when it gets a little cooler out. Do you like bunch it up so you don't notice it as much? Okay, let's try the next top on. I love this top. I like the detail on it. I like the sleeve, the length of it. It feels great. I really like it. You could probably do a front tuck. Well, most of you guys, not me. Okay, let's just do this. I mean, you could tuck it because look, that's really cute. Add a jacket. Oh, the arms on it are good too. This is a small. See what it looks like with the jacket. Nice. Let's try on the next top. This is too cute. $11. Oh, and 14 cents. I like the balloon sleeves on this. Okay, now this is a little loose. It's not elastic. It's just kind of there. I usually pull my sleeves up. This is too cute. Oh, and it's loose here. So, you got that something going on in there. It's not clinging to it. So when you sit, it's not going to be as noticeable because you've got something covering it up. So this is a better fit for me until I can get that under control. The problem is that Mike and I like to walk to places and then we eat and we have a cocktail. Yeah, so that's probably need to stop that. But it's almost like you can't travel anywhere. So, I mean, like really, like you used to travel, like, go out of the country or whatever right now. So it's kind of our entertainment, really. All right, so I like the way the stripes are different up here. I like this neckline. This is so soft. It's not too heavy. Okay, I'm glad I had my eye on this. Really cute. It looks good with the white denim. Okay, it's 90 degrees outside, but I'm gonna go put that sweater on. How cute is this sweater? This is so cute. I like the balloon sleeves. It has, I don't know, it's gathering at the top here. And then here, it's got like little notches here. This one has a snag in it right here. This is not a final sale. This one was $16.70, which is really a good price. So I'm gonna see if I can exchange it for another one. You do have to, it kind of clings a little bit right here in the belly, but I like it. I like it a lot. The color is so pretty. It looks nice with the white jeans. It's a little scratchy. It's not a soft like sweater. It's warm. I would almost wear this like a winter white, maybe, because this would be warm for me. You know, that menopause hits and it's like slaps you in the face. Reminder, you know, don't dress too warm. Dress in layers. Crank up that AC. Turn that heat off. You guys know. Okay, this is cute, I must say. All right, so the only item that, can you tell I took my heels off? If I could return it, I would return the first top, the red top, because it is really snug around this belly. Just liking my food right now, what can I say? And it was only $11, so it's not a big deal. I mean, I might wear it, I might sell it, I might give it away. I don't know. But that's it. That's my haul. I'm really excited about this haul. I really am. I'm especially excited about that darn bag. I love it. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.